Okay, let's explore more the circle command and the rectangle command. So again, rectangle, you type rec, and you're able to select the rectangle command for rectangles. Then you can click on one corner, and then notice that as I drag this along, there's a value that is being updated. That is the X distance, right? So that will be the horizontal distance. And then if I go down, the Y distance is also changing, okay? So that's how you create a rectangle. But what if you want a particular or specific distance? So you type rec for rectangle. You can start from the bottom left corner and then move up and to the right. And this time I'm going to type 10,000. So 10, 1, 2, 3. Now that will be the X distance. What if I want to create or change the Y distance? I'll hit the tab key and then maybe type in 10,000 as well. So 10, 1, 2, 3,000. Now, I can also change the X value by clicking the tab key. So that tab key toggles between the X and the Y values. Okay, enter. And then let's say I want to rotate this at an angle of 45 degrees. So I'm going to say rotate, RO is the shortcut key, and then I'll select the rectangle. Notice that all of the lines are highlighted because a rectangle is made using polylines. So polyline is a continuous line. Okay, so I'm going to rotate that. That will be my base point. And then I'm going to rotate this at an angle. Again, notice that you can see here that I can specify the angle. So I'm going to type 45 degrees, and that should be at an angle of 45 degrees. Let's add circles. So C, space bar, use that as an endpoint. Again, endpoints can be set right here. And make sure this is blue or press F3. So endpoint, and then I'll make it a radius of 4,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So next, I'm going to copy. So CP or CO is the shortcut key for copy. So I'm going to select this circle, space bar. I'm going to select this as my base, and then place it here at the corner, and then another one here, and then another one there. Okay, space bar to end. Now, what if I want to create a circle that is tangent to all these circles? So I'm going to say C, and then I'm going to say or select 3P, and then again type TAN, space bar. So it should be tangent to this. So don't worry, just select any edge of the circle, and AutoCAD will calculate for the tangency point. So I can even place it here, and then it should be TAN, space bar, tangent, that's a helper. So I can type it before I select the point. So I can place it here, and then TAN again, and then place a tangency point here or here. So it should be the same. I only need 3 points. So there, and there you go. A nice circle that is tangent to all 4 circles. Okay, so that's how you create a rectangle and then place it at an angle, circles, and then copied, and then a circle that is tangent to 3 points. And then, of course, because they are the same distances, then it will be also tangent to this point.